Oh, let me adjust this real quick. Actually, let me adjust this camera. I got problems on. Oh man, terror in reality. Let me see if let's zoom out a little bit, maybe. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm okay with a little tear. That's fine. Oh, there we go. That's much better. Yeah, I mean the mic is huge, and I look really small. maybe if I move it, maybe if I move it over here. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I have to adjust this arm because the mic in my face is kind of like it's bumming me out. Let me get the chat up. Let me get the chat going. Yeah, I'm back on Twitch. I just hate YouTube so much. Um, Video producer content. There we go. Yeah, I don't know, man. Like YouTube Live is just such a bummer. And I can't listen to like good music. I don't know. It just sucks. All right, so live back on Twitch. Come hang out. Come hang out on Twitch again. Back on Twitch. Twitch.tv Swagger. Yeah, did I do that? Did I do this? I don't. Yeah, I was just kind of like messing around, and I was like, oh, I should just stream for like an hour, and um, instead of just not streaming for an hour. Yeah, this is my first. Okay, I'm like actually like streaming when I want to stream now, which is good. Or you know what? I just realized I might not need these lights. What if I get rid of this one? No. Oh, jeez, freaking a. All right, hold on a second. Actually, you know what? My window's open. That's probably what it is. It's like if I feel like it's really bright, you know. Maybe if I just move this away a little bit. There we go. That's better. Okay. So I guess like I guess I should show you this. I should I should show you what I cooked up. All right. So what's the point, right? Of GitHub continuous GitHub actions. What's the point, right? For me, like I don't care about GitHub actions, right? We're not gonna do GitHub actions. Instead, what we're gonna do is I built on what I did last time, and basically what I have is like a folder and then a folder.git, and then in that folder.git, I make a hook, right? And in that thing, I have post receive. Oh, cat's working now. What the heck? Okay. So in this I have a hook called post receive, right? And it calls two shell scripts, right? It calls whoa, whoops, hello. It calls one shell script, right? That does this. Here, let's do that. Okay. So it calls one shell script that does this, right? Can hopefully you can see that. And so it it sets all the environment variables for actually, you know what? This one might not be required. But anyway, it sets all the environment variables for cross compilation from macOS M1 to x86 64 dynamically linked Linux with no Docker, right? I just have all the stuff. I have LLVM installed and like the cross compile tool chain from Homebrew, and then it makes a new directory, right? And it gives a git work tree in that directory, and then it just builds the thing, right? And then it SCPs the binary, which has all the static assets and everything it needs to a folder, right? And then it deletes the thing, right? And then on the server, it it kills the service, and then it CDs into like the right directory, and then just like starts it back up again. And that's all it that's all it does. So I still get like nice um I still get like nice git push like stuff to deploy. So the other thing I did is in my local git directory, I have I have two remotes, right? On origin. So when I git push, it pushes to GitHub and then it pushes to my local to my local directory. So but it only fetches from GitHub though. Which I don't know how or why it figured that out. Git did, but I didn't do anything special for that. Okay, so that I'm I'm excited. Like I'm excited to do this. Um yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, so I should probably just show you what I've been doing. I'm just doing like responsive stuff. Um yeah, I don't know. Does this need to be I have it as fixed, but it's kind of annoying, right? Because it's kind of like getting into the thing. I might just have to give it what is this? Do I actually want to like give it a background? I don't know. Oh, I've also done some cool stuff too. Here, I'll show you. Um, yeah, I've also done some cool stuff with. Oh, whoops! It made it responsive. All right, there we go. Oh, it's still responsive. How do I get it? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I've also done some cool stuff with the live view. So I copied over. I just copy pasted the glue right JavaScript for for dioxus live view, and so I can now like so all the JavaScript is here, and it is 28K uncompressed, unminified, which is I mean it's not the end of the world, but it's definitely not nothing, right? Um, but yeah, so basically what I do is the on air had a to do, so I just filled it out with my own stuff. I'll show you. I'll show you what it looks like. So basically, it just tries to reach every 1 second in dev and every 5 seconds on production. It says I'm probably pushing some new code um, automatically. Oh my gosh, trying to reconnect. So here, I'll show you what it looks like. So let's say I'm in nav, right? And I want to like, usually I would use hot reload for this, but so let's say I want to just say dark BG gray 900. What is it actually? What is the what is the thing? I'm actually kind of oh, it's 950. Okay. So oh, I have it as BG transparent. Okay. So you see that? You see that right there? So the server went off. So the WebSocket's trying to reconnect, and it there finally reconnected, right? So live view, I mean, it's definitely has its problems, right? The main problem is that there's since there's no smart like buffering of keystrokes, sending every keystroke to the server is like really it's kind of a bummer actually. It's like really slow, so you can't use on change events really in text fields. Um, I mean, I guess you could, but you'd probably have to add some extra JavaScript, like where it's like a delay, right? Like a 300 millisecond or 250 millisecond, like key up delay or something, like kind of like what HTMX does. But yeah, I don't know. I still like Dioxus Live View. Um, but yeah, I'm starting to think like if I integrated Alpine somehow or something like it, but maybe with mutation observers and then HTMX together, with like a Rust proc macro and all server rendered, all SSR'd HTML, right? I think I can get like a pretty good approximation um, of this stuff. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. And with like the new web transition stuff too. Okay, so this yeah, this is not good. Like I hate this because it's like I might as well be refreshing the page, right? This might as well just be links, but they're not links. They're like this special like live view thing that's like changing an enum. But it doesn't feel any different, right? I mean, it's a little faster. Um, but if I go to production, right, and I switch between them, yeah, I guess it's like slightly faster, right, than like switching links. But it would be nice to like not lose context, I guess, and to actually have it like animate in somehow. But yeah, that's what I'm working on now. I think I'm just gonna make it just like my link thing and just have like a floating plus button. I love floating plus buttons, so I'm definitely. Oh my gosh, my dog, aggressive, aggressive. She's I might have to take care of this. I don't know what's going on. Oh no, she's just freaking out because she's a German Shepherd. Yeah. Okay. Um, maybe if I just ignore her, she'll stop. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna mute this. Actually, how do I mute this mic? Shoot, there's no mute button. Oh, maybe I just turn it. Maybe I just turn it all the way down. Hold on. Okay. All right. I tried to. Yeah, I don't know. She actually calmed down as I was about to say something. Okay. So this, I hate this. This sucks. I definitely want to change this. Yeah. Oh, one other thing I don't like about hot reload is that it takes 100% CPU. That's one other thing I'm like, oh shoot, maybe I don't want this. I don't know. Let me close all this stuff. Okay, yeah. Let me yeah, I swear I'm gonna be done with this pretty soon. I just need to add web push notifications and then it'll actually be working. But I definitely like did a bunch of stuff like patterns and stuff that I really like. Um, yeah, like with the Git remotes and all that stuff. Like I've been meaning to do all that stuff, but I just never got around to it. But now I'm like pretty set. I'm set up pretty well. Now I just have to focus on like getting live view to not be like horrible, by default. It's not horrible. I'm just, I'm exaggerating. Yeah, this I don't really like this. This is ugly. It's super ugly. Yeah, also this sends an event down to the server to like show and hide this blurred thing, which is the kind of a bummer. But yeah, this is just like super ugly. Um, yeah. Okay, so yeah, I need this to be a action button. So let's just do that now. I also hate this list. This list is horrible. Like I don't like it. It's too boxy, Like maybe it needs more lines, less boxes. All right. Sorry for swallowing sounds. Okay. See this freaking thing. I just want to grab what I don't want it to be in root. Oh, do I want it to be in root? So you can add from anywhere? That might add like a bit of complexity though. Oh, that would actually solve my problem. Because like on account, right? Which is just basically showing your identifier after you sign up. Oh, maybe I should fix that actually. Let's do that because that's kind of gonna be. I'm gonna forget about that. Okay, so after sign up, what I do is I just refresh the page, and then on in root, the root component, I just set the initial view to monitors, but it should, if you just signed up, it should be um it should be index. So there's like one more thing here. So I think what I want to do is yeah, I think I want to set I want to see, I want to pass how many logins there are. Because when you sign up, right? When you sign up, there's gonna be one login, right? Um, that I was kind of torn between like, oh, should I actually like store this server side and like hide it? But it felt so ghetto. I was like, why don't I just like every time they log in, just like make a new login? So that's what I did, and it feels less ghetto. Yeah, yeah. Okay, this is yeah. Let me just make sure no one needs me. Um, okay, yeah. All right. Okay. This this freaking thing. Let's yeah, let's just make this actually full screen so I can actually see what's going on. Yeah, I definitely want to reload from JavaScript though, like because I need to reload the whole thing. I mean, I could try to reconnect the WebSocket, but like, what's the point, right? Might as well just reload, which will do it anyway. I guess it would feel more live viewy if I actually reconnected the WebSocket though. Yeah, I'll do that later. For now, I also so when I pass in root props when live view starts up, which I love that I could control the root props. Although I can't do it now with the new dioxus uh, full stack thing. Um, yeah, so I think I'm just gonna like pass in num logins, right? And then we'll just do like num logins. Um, we're gonna assume that no one's gonna log in. Like that's a lot of logins, right? We could do. Oh, you know what? We'll do that. That's people are really gonna use this. So no, I'm just kidding. It doesn't matter. Okay, so num logins, and then we'll just go over to the database, right? Wait, where's my database? Oh my gosh, it's in lib still. But why? Why is it in lib? Oh, I had it in lib. Oh, that's what it is. I had lib because I was trying to do multiple like source bins things, but like it's not really what I wanted because then I had to like share code in like a weird way, and then I just left everything in lib. All right, that's fine. So login count, or we'll just say like num. Oh yeah, login count's much better. I hate num. That's stupid. So we'll just do it's like U64 or whatever. Is that what it is? um, we'll go up two. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just gonna like copy this down to my thing, and then yeah, probably this is just U64. Select count from logins, user ID. Yeah, there's no. Oh, I mean, yeah. What's the point though, right? Query at. Oh, can I not do that? This is gonna be user ID. User ID. Oh, if it's I64, we'll just do I64. Oh wait, that's fine. No, that's fine. Okay, is sqlite smart enough to figure out what the problem is, right? Oh. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Oh wait, can it fix it for me? Oh, nice. Okay, what else? It doesn't have a self parameter. Oh. What else? Count is not a valid Rust identifier. Okay, as count. Found enum result. Right. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay. I actually, yeah, so let's just do result. I 64, U64. What did I say it was? sqlite error. sqlite error. Every library. I should not a struct variant or union type. So you actually can't return just a regular count. Interesting. Ooh, that's kind of a bummer. That means I need to make a struct for. Oh, you know what I could do is I could just do an enum, right? I could just say like where are my models? Yeah, I can just do like pub struct SQL. Wait. Is there? Did they already have this? Did they already have this built in? Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Count. Okay, so select count as count. However, my snippet produces count sum. Okay, maybe there's the count be I64. Maybe there is a way to do this. No. I mean, yeah. Okay, let me just go pub struct, or let me do pub enum SQL value or something, right? Is that hopefully that's not a we could just say count, right? And it's like I64. And then there's only one now, right? Okay, so I think I need to do this from row. Can I? Oh, enums are not supported. Shoot. Okay, let's just try that. SQL value. I mean, I could just do a struct too, but expected struct variant or union type found enum. Oh, okay. Okay, sweet. So this is not gonna. That's not gonna work. So I'll just make it a struct. That's annoying. We can just say count I64, right? SQL count, right? Or I guess I mean I think the goal is to make a struct for every query that you have. Um, but I kind of just want to like have one just for when I want to return a count, I guess, which is super freaking annoying. Oh, you know what I could do is because I mean I don't need it to be a result really. I can just say I64 and then I could just do unwrap or 0, right? Yeah, that makes it easy. Return type is integer. Oh, right. So I have to actually match this. Let result. Match result. To, what is this? Yeah, C. And I can just say C.count. 0. Yeah, that's fine. Right? Yep. Okay, I think this will work. And it's compile time checked, so that's cool. And before I forget this, I need to cargo SQLX prepare. Yeah, that's fine. Num logins. Yeah, we're gonna change this to login count. Okay, cannot find login count. That is correct. Equals db login count u.id await. Makes it easy. Always a 0. Cannot find value num logins. Oh, this thing's still okay. It's still tripping up. Cannot find value u in this scope. Oh, right. Because I had let's see, current user. That's what I did, right? Unwrap or 0, and then it'll just propagate zeros. That's wait, what? Oh, expected I64. unwrap or user default. Oh, we'll just do unwrap or default. And then we'll just say ID. And that'll be 0, right? Oh my gosh, are you serious? There we go. Okay, just do the copy. Do the right thing. Right. Man, Rust is just, it's with me. You know what I mean? It's on the same wavelength. This, okay, this is the problem, right? Yeah, I'll just do as ref, I guess. Oh, you know what? I can just do, I'll just clone it. I don't even care, right? Wait. Current user was cloned though, already. So now I'm kind of as mute to borrow the type's contents. Okay, but really I just want user ID. So let's just go user ID equals current user. Match current user. We'll just say current user unwrap or current user unwrap or user default dot ID. And then I don't have to do this. I could just do let sites equals db sites by user ID u.id. Oh wait. Oh, I could just do this. Oh my gosh. There, that was like a lot of pain for not a lot of effort there. I mean, do I want to clone a freaking? I guess I could just borrow it, right? No. I don't want to borrow an i64. That's dumb. I mean, this is owned, and that, so I'm using it here. Value moved. Current user. Does not implement the copy trait. Oh, because I did cloned here. Right. I think what I need to do instead of cloned is, am I just going to do the same thing? Sum u equals u.clone. None equals user default. Let's see. Okay, so now I don't have to do this anymore. But really what I want to do is just get the user ID. ID. And we could just say 0. Oh, I do need the current user too. Okay. That's the problem, I guess. Current user. Oh, because I actually, let's just do depot. Let's okay. That's why I didn't realize that I was using it down there. Equals, okay. Let's do that. Can I do that? I don't know. Yeah, let me shoot, man, because I'm trying to use this. Yeah, no wonder I did this. Okay. Okay. User ID equals current user unwrap or default dot ID, and then the borrow thing comes in, right? Current user is moved. Move a curve because which does not implement a copy trait. All right. Okay, so I definitely want, I think what I'm gonna do is this. Maybe current user, right? And then I'm just gonna say let current user equals maybe current user. We'll just match out of here and clone here. Maybe current user. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Do it. Do the thing. Sum u equals u.clone. None equals user default. And then here we could just do this. And then this is right. Some current user. Oh, I wonder if I could just do maybe current user. Oh, I can't because it's I could never do that. Okay. Some current user. And then it's going to come at me with something like outlive something, blah, 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 blah. We could just clone again, right? Or we could just say root current user equals current user dot clone. Oh, we could do this. Current user. Oh, right. Some. Trying to outlive static. Because... Oh, it borrows login count, which is owned by the current function. That's annoying. I guess it can't copy. I guess I can't... Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to clone i64. It doesn't even make sense. Man, Tokyo, you know? I do. I mean, I guess I don't really care about performance that much, and like I would rather it not be multi-threaded and async. I would rather just run it on one thread and just do concurrency on one thread like Node.js does, or I guess Bun maybe. Login count is borrowed. Yes. I guess I'm actually kind of what yeah, I'm actually kind of I'm kind of it is that because of the scope? This becomes borrowed? This might be because of launch with props, right? Send plus static. T has to be send in static. Okay. Okay. I think okay, we can do it. Yeah, it's trying to borrow here. I think what I want to do, a login count dot clone. Yeah, I thought it was my current user thing, but it wasn't. Use the move keyword to force the closure, ownership of login count, and any other reference variables. We could try that, I guess, but it's probably going to come back and say no. But I don't really care about these things after this, and I don't. Oh, that worked. Okay. Okay. All right. So what else was that? What was I doing? Oh, I was going back to root, right? I forgot what I was doing. So now that I have a login count, right, which was like a struggle, I need to say if the login count is the default view is index, but I want to show a count. So I basically want to say match current user sum, and I want to say then I want to have like an inner match here, which is kind of like ugly, but what are you gonna do? One is view account because that's a sign up, and then otherwise it's view monitors. Oh, I guess I could like do a tuple, right? And I could say sum one is view account, and I can keep it flat, right? Sum zero or sum anything else is view monitors. And you can just do none anything. It's view default. Can I do that? Oh, I can do that. Ooh, that's pretty nice. I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. All right. Let's do it. Let's see if it works. Okay. Yeah, let's see if it actually works. Wait. Wait. Hold on. Okay, current user. Oh shoot, because I did didn't I do wait, I know I did option, right? Oh, I did some user default. Stupid. So dumb. Maybe current user u clone. Or we'll just do no. I guess I can try this again. Right? Because I think I was trying to do too much at once. Maybe we'll just try that and see what it yells at me for. It'll probably say like can't like move or moved here or something, right? Is that it's probably gonna happen? Although you'd think that I64 could be copied, but I think it's unwrap or default. Yeah, but it doesn't like that. You can clone the value and consume it, but this might not be your desired behavior. What? It is my desired behavior. That is send in the clones. Oh, okay. It doesn't like that. As ref. I guess I can. Where else is this used? Just here? Dude, forget it. I'm just gonna. Default is not. Yeah. Current user. So we'll just do match. Oh, you know what we should do is just do this. If let user. Oh, Kiavo9, what's up? What's going on? Yeah, it's an early stream day for me. I mean, it's early here, I guess, 11:56 a.m. But yeah, I'm probably only gonna stream for like 20 more minutes because I gotta get back to work. But yeah, let me see. If let user current user. We can do this probably and only do this because I don't really care to do this, right? And then we can just say else. And we can just return a tuple, I guess, right? Login count. And then we can just say back, right? 0. Can we do that? That's a lot. That's a lot. And then we can just say sites login count. Tuple or tuple. It's not a tuple. Okay, codependent. It's not a tuple. Okay, it can't be a tuple. It's got to be a tuple, right? Because it's like a couple, right? But I mean, I guess like what is a couple, right? Couple. Well, let's do dictionary. Couple, couple. Look, a pair, right? A duo, right? A twosome, a set of two. I mean, I don't know what how to, that's not even a word. So we could just so I mean, to me, if it's two things, oh, I guess like I see what you're because then you would say it's a tuple. But like I get yeah, I see the argument now. Dang it, I see the argument for tuple. No, it's tuple. I'm sticking. I'm sticking to it. Like couple. I'm sticking to it. All right. I'm not changing my mind here. Um. Oh my gosh, there's a lot going on here. Oh, okay. This is a missing semicolon, but it seemed like the end of the world. So yeah, here I could just say user.id. User.id. It probably won't like this somehow. Value partially moved. Okay, let's. What if I get rid of this move? Oh no. Force the closure to take. Okay, so I wanted to take ownership. Um, user does not implement the copy trait. Current user.clone. What's this? What's this now? Use occurs due to use enclosure. Yes. Okay, let's just borrow this and we'll just make wait. Is it fine now? That's it. It's already compiling. I don't need to do anything. Sweet. I'm winning the argument. I'm not even saying anything. No, it's tuple. It's double. I mean, I guess if your tuple is more. Oh, what did I do? Why is there two? Oh no. Oh no. What did I do? Oh, there's a header and index too. All right. Okay, cool. There it is. All right, sweet. So the thing is I want to yeah, I want to like login is fine. Okay. So if I add something here like hello, right? .com or something, right? Wow, that didn't work at all. Sweet. Sweet. That's interesting. It really just completely failed. Oh no, now it's fine. What? Are you serious? Okay, so that worked, right? Because it's supposed to show this screen, which is ugly, and I have to fix it. Let me see. Monitors? What did I do on the root of this thing? Flex call. Oh my gosh, my dog. Oh my goodness. Someone's clearly breaking into my house. I'm being swatted. Uh, wait. Oh yeah, you can hear that. Yeah, you can definitely hear that on OBS. It's the downside. This mic's so good that it picks up my dog's barking now. Oh wow. Hold on a second. Hold on. I'm gonna have to get her to stop. No, I think it's a squirrel. Um, I thought maybe I was the SWAT team was at my house. I was getting swatted, but no, it's a freaking squirrel. Stream ruined. Dog barked. the stream, the stream must go on. Yeah, dude. Honestly, the squirrels are intense. You know what I mean? Okay, let me see. This is wrong. Um, I need some padding. Oh, you know what? That's why. Because it's not flex. We'll just do like px4, and then we'll do LG px0. What? It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Come. There. All right. Okay. Okay. Are you all right? Go on. Go. Go. Just like only be done in 15 minutes. Go. All right. Um, they are a menace. That's just a good boy protecting you. I don't trust them either. Yeah, seriously. Like my dog's a good dog. Um, most of the time. Yeah. So that did not do anything. Like what? Did I not? Can I not add padding to this? Oh, this is just totally hosed. What is wrong with this? Didn't I add padding? I did. But the padding did nothing because it was a grid? Yeah, I'm just going to not do that. That's stupid. We'll just do flex. Flex call. Justify center. Item center? I probably don't need item center. Oh my gosh. What am I thought I was a front end engineer for a second, but I guess I'm not. What the frick? What did I do? What did I do? Is it because it's flex maybe? Oh shoot. It's because of this stupid thing. I forgot about this. Yeah, it's annoying. Yeah. It's my stupid button. I think I don't actually want this to be on the side here because it looks stupid and I hate it. All right. All right. Yeah. I think yeah, I think having a button is like it looks so dumb. I think I'm just gonna like if you I'll just say like click to show or something, right? Um click to show your login code. And then we'll just do like the unclick here. Oh my gosh, can I not type? There we go. All right. All right. Perfect. Perfect. And we'll make it a cursor pointer. All right. I should do HTMX is getting some traction. I should do like HTMX stuff. I messed around with HTMX like when it first came out like years ago, but wait, what? Am I like making it more blurry? I think I am. We don't need text anymore. It's blurry if blur class. There we go. There we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, I should also experiment with the checkbox thing for live view, so I don't have to like send every little click to the server. All right. So now if I refresh, wait, that's totally. Oh, because I still have my logins. Should I keep track of page views? should I should I keep track of page views too? Yeah. So this is going to not really do what I wanted, but because it's always going to send you. But the next time, okay, well, I think that's fine because the next time I log in, right? The next time I log in, it's going to send me. Yes. Okay, that is what I wanted. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Wait. Where's my site? Wait, where's my where's my freaking thing? Did I broke something else? .com. Oh, what? How many? Oh my gosh, I broke something else. Hilarious. Site where user ID equals 4. Oh, that's weird. Is it oh, it's my freaking index. Dude, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me with this? Wait, I don't even have an index. All I have is unique on URL. So dumb. I thought I changed that. So stupid. Okay, unique URL user ID, right? Unbelievable. What is this? Junior Dev Power Hour or something? Like what the frick? Okay, let me just delete SQLite 3, right? Let me just delete it all. We're deleting it all. Cargo, run, migrate. Oh, freaking A. I just realized I can't do that. Because it's not going to compile. This is my problem with SQLX and Query as. Dang it. Freaking A. Now I've got to go one by one and like comment out the stupid the stupid functions. Dang it. That's so dumb. Compile time SQL checking. It's such a good idea, right? It's such a good idea until it's not. Dude, this is a freaking bummer. Like, this is a serious bummer. Like, oh man, I can't just like oh. All right. Oh, you know what? I can't even do this. Wait, what am I even thinking? I honestly can't even do what I want. I can't just change the migration because there's already 2 copies of the database, one on the server. Dude, I have to actually, can I even, oh my gosh. Now I have to like copy the site's table. Okay, yeah. I'm done programming for today. I'm done programming. Oh, I did see this. Dumb or something. What did it say? Like, I think I upvoted it. I did see, upvoted. Wait, did I not? Oh, this was cool too. Do as mastery. A little BSD. You know what I mean? A little BSD for us. Do as instead of sudo. But yeah, I do like that. It's cool. But I think dumb or something, or last 24 hours. Oh, come on. Smart. Stories, comments. I think it was like, maybe we'll do 0.5x. Oh, here we go. The stupid programmer manifesto. That's what it was. That's what it was. Nice. Dude, do I not get dark mode? Like, what the heck? What am I? Am I not in dark mode? Oh, I am. Man, Substack doesn't have dark mode? That's wild. Maybe I have to log in. It's fine. Wow, that's super bright though. Here, maybe we'll turn it down. We'll turn on the brightness on my freaking thing so I can let me see settings. There. So I'm not like completely. There we go. There we go. It looks a little less crazy. Okay. I don't even need these lights anymore. So bright. But yeah, I do like this. I'm not smart enough to remember which objects have which fields, so I only use statically typed languages. But probably like go. He used to say go, right? If he said go, I'd be like, this is it. I'm not smart enough to figure out and manage multiple repositories with shared code. I do all of these. Like, I think I'm I have a confession to make. I'm a terrible programmer. My productivity is quite low. I'm not 10x. I'm not even 1x. To be able to produce anything at all, I need to cut all the BS code, tools, frameworks. And after all that, I can barely approach being a 0.5x programmer. It sounds like it needs ChatGPT, you know? But yeah. Not remembering which fields is why we have default for Mantis. So true, though. So true. But yeah, this is so funny. Like, I've actually become this person over time. I've been programming for professionally. Honestly, I think my first job was in August 2007. It was C, embedded C, and like I've been programming since then. I'm so old. It's so over. I'm so old. Um, hardcore. Yeah, I've been programming so long I forgot like all the crap that I like learned. That's how long I've been C of all. Yeah. Well, I my major was computer engineering, right? Or like electro. It was like there was no computer engineering at the time, and it like turned into the computer engineering program at my college. And so like it was actually electrical engineering with like a little bit of computer science. So I didn't learn any like we breezed through algorithms and data structures like we barely covered it because I thought I was going to be an electrical engineer, right? I thought I was going to work at Intel or something or Nvidia, but no, it turns out I didn't do that. I went into the web, of all things. So yeah, it's like I became this. I do this. Multiple repositories. I put all my code in one repository. That is correct. Thank you, Cargo Workspaces. Not smart enough to figure out how to make microservices work. That is so correct. Monolith. That's right on a single server. Yep. Not smart enough to figure out Docker. So instead, I compile my into a self-contained. Yeah, yeah, that's me too, dude. It's so true. Like Docker, like so I love dynamic. I actually love this argument. Ruby and Python and all that stuff. Like it's dynamically typed, so you can't actually like statically compile the thing, and like including all your assets and stuff. Um, so so you wind up like using Docker, and it makes things so much more complex. Like you're saving time and energy, like not typing out your static types, right? Supposedly, and you're moving really fast or whatever. And like Rails is doing things for you, or Django or what have you, a Laravel. And then it comes time to deploy, and you're like, oh, just use my deploy pass like Vercel, or like use Docker or something. And it's like way more freaking complicated if you just had done the thing the easy way in the first part. Fun fact: I was a graphic designer. Everyone went did. I'm gonna make this bigger. There we go. There we go. Everyone went digital, so web designer. Then dumb business people didn't understand the difference between designer and developer. Yeah, I have like two friends that. Oh, I have one friend that was print. Um, he was a print designer, and then he went web too. Yeah, that's so funny. And so now you're now you're a developer. I'm convinced no one actually likes Docker, and they're all just pretending. Dude, so true. Like Docker's horrible. And like, I mean, with WASM, like, I'm so glad that we don't need Docker in like 3 to 5 years. Like, we're done with Docker, hopefully, and we'll all just be compiling to WASM and using like random WASM runtimes, right? Which is cool because now you can have WASM on the server and in the client too. I'm looking forward to that. Docker, dude, get out of here with that Docker. I hate Docker. I'm not smart enough to figure out cloud services and auto scaling groups. That's me too. So I just upload my static binary file using SCP. What, dude? I just went through this at the beginning of the stream. I literally do this. That's hilarious. Like, I seriously do this though. Like, I have a script. I have a freaking script right here. Um, we can go over it again, but look at this. I have it in my hooks. My local sh. Look at that. Wait, not bat. Let's do bat so it looks better. There, bat. Look at it. You see this right here? What is that? SCP. It's freaking SCP. It's not statically linked, but I mean, whatever. Uh, I like the idea of Docker. I hate one thing more than Docker: setting up environments on 10 computers. Yeah, that is true. I mean, like, I would probably rather use Docker than Chef, or like Pulumi, or like Terraform or something. Um, yeah, to like for 10 computers, that'd be horrible. Yeah, I know what you're saying. I mean, when it comes to that, yeah, but like if it's just my side projects, like I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do exactly this, and I do exactly this. And that's part I had to figure out. This is crazy. I actually don't do this, but maybe I should. I'm not smart enough to figure out how to set up all the databases and firewalls and load balancers. So I just embed the HTTP server and data storage engine as a library. Oh, I do that actually. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, I do use Nginx though. I do use Nginx. So there you go. I'm not smart enough to figure out SQL queries and object relational mapping. So I just store my objects in their entirety as is on disk. I have never done this. Like I think I tried to like serialize JSON as like a file, and I just appended to it, and then I would just like loop through and like to find things. I have done that, but like, yeah, this is wild. I mean, I might I do like the idea of this. Um I do like just serializing things as binary. And just like loading them all up at initialization. I shoot, like when the web server starts, just load everything into memory. I mean, like my databases are so little. The idea that I would ever have a database that's like over more than a gig is like pretty laughable. So yeah, if I just loaded everything into memory, um, as tuples. No, I'm just kidding, not as tuples. Um, shoot, man, that's actually a really good idea. Like, I mean, if I look at my what I would argue is my longest running project, right? Um, if I look at my longest running project, I need some coffee. Here it is, right here. Oh yeah, I switched back to coffee from tea. It's a bummer. Okay, let me look at my longest running project, right? And I go into the database, which is just literally a SQLite file. Let's look. Let's look at it. LSLH, right? Janet Docs production. Okay, it's it's 376K. Like that is so little. Like I know using SQLite is nice because it gives you unique indexes and stuff instead of you having to like check if something's unique. But like my goodness, that's so little. Like I think I send that much in an image. Right? I think I send that much in an image. I don't even have images on here, thank goodness. But yeah, like this is all of Janet's like documentation and all the examples that people submit. Dude, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Anyway, so I might actually do this. I'm not smart enough to figure out all the rest. And oh yeah, I definitely do this. Yeah, no, with dioxus, like I'm totally sold on this. Like JSON over HTTP and just using post for everything and just RPC. I am done like with the restful stuff. Like what a stupid complicated piece of garbage. Like wow, we went way wrong. We should have just done RPC the whole time. But not with soap. Not soap. You know what I mean? And also not JSON either. I think like my ideal is like abstract away the network entirely, like electric, like close your electric, or like dioxus server functions, right? I literally just want to write a function and not have to think about where it's going to run. Real chats use Ajax. Yeah, that's true. I guess they use Ajax. It's true. Just but not even HTML, just XML. You know what I mean? Just SOAP. I'm not smart enough to figure out how to transform data between different layers of the system, so I just don't. I use the same representation in the UI layer and the storage layer. Yeah, I guess this is a confusing thing. I'm not really sure what he means by this or her. I don't know what they mean by this. I guess I don't really understand like how can you show the same thing in the oh like use a table for like a list and then yeah I don't know I don't know what they're getting at. I'm too stupid to make good art, so that's pretty funny. No, it was good. It was good. Yeah, I like that. I thought that was pretty good. Oh shoot, hour and three. All right, I gotta get out of here. Thanks for hanging out, everyone. It was cool. It was fun. Um, yeah, I'll try to stream again, like in the daytime next time. Hopefully around the same time, like 11 or maybe like 11 or 12 or something. But yeah,